The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger. Zip fast 100% watt syakmat bercedian, blind view monitor. Bagi kiwai. Tek kum ki kali rem, hagador ke berjam. Tak saupun rewlak. Just wow.
BJP Meghalaya Unit Lingbao ba One Kit Bok Pochna General Secretary Haka Khatway Trik Unailar Aja Pynrem kala Pynrem ke jingle ki bor pulet persha ki samla ki beki Ranchi daga bakin no ba sarkar jilla Jharkhand balam khmat daga Jharkhand Mukti Morcha bat kirsha ne ka Congress ka yo right ya ka hok light luat ban ki daga bajai jai Henry ke BJP Meghalaya Unit Haka wei pat kaliang kam shamla Jubab Shai Halor ke Jingthoh ba State President ke BJP Youth Wing Meghalaya uba Mewaker Lingdo Pakma upasiat igi samlai ke beki jantar mantar Delhi hakitayo baladam uba One Kit Bok haba Pynrem ye Jingthoh pinan kam ki pulet da ka bori ki samla beki Jharkhand ulai le ban kadat na kamat Halor ke Jingthoh uba Mewaker persha igi samla ye ki jantar mantar ula persyang manya jakmat na kamat ekren baye day uba Mewaker da ka baong ba ha ki jinge ki bri ki kren ki bam day ban kren bad ong ba anna ye kren ye ka bladam ulo ong ba ka parliament ka train na ka bandai ki samla bad ai lat ba kan tray bad anno me kren hasurang
of exposing yourself. The same anguish and same press conference was not there during the Jngan protest. Students were facing harassment, and your own fraternity said, shoot the protesters.
There was nothing like that. The Home Minister was supposed to clarify whatever
No, I'm saying about
apprehension.
your fraternity here. One of the members said, shoot the protesters.
I have
And you are
no.
not filing any FIR if it is a fake Facebook post.
I don't know. I think the party has made a statement, so we will not
Have you
talk
filed
about
an FIR?
I don't know about the case, so I'll not comment on it.
The member can.
Let's not divert from the topic. So now we'll.
No, it's not diversion. You have to answer this.
You have to use of force that the BJP has done in the CJP protest. Equally, it is very much linked to this subject that you raised.
I think so. Our party has already made a statement. We had already issued a release. What has happened? So I don't think so. We have to clarify more on that, right?
No. So can you just tell us, do you feel that BJP hasn't used any force during the CJP protest?
And I think so. The matter has also gone to the court, so I will not deliberate much on it. Those who had apprehensions about the way the administration worked, they had gone to the court. I think the matter is there. Let's not discuss about it. Let us discuss why the parliament is not functioning because of the hypocrisy of the Congress party.
Let us also discuss what actually have taken about the youth leader who said, shoot the protesters.
See, frankly speaking, I'm not aware of the entire situation, and I'm sure the party must have made certain stands at that point of time. I do not wish to talk more on that because I do not see basically. I do not see what's there on personal accounts of people. I cannot go and monitor, right? So I am not aware, and I do not wish to speak anything. But I'm sure the party must have made a statement. So let's stick to that.
The person is already here.
Yes.
I do not. I don't want to barge onto his personal stuff. So let's
We are all here.
see. That's what only I do not know.
But Mr. Mewaker, if you would like to say, since we have the media in front
I think so. That's it. No.
he can feel free to speak since
Let them do on a personal note, and let's not make it a thing. You can do it the other time. Let's not
if
let.
you want him to speak separately.
Yeah, separately other time, not as of today. I request you because
No.
the parliament has to function. Let us, which I have not seen. I do not want to comment on that. But right now, what is most important is the parliament to function. Let us concentrate on that because the country needs to debate on major issues. This is a small issue. And the abusive languages of others also are much more major than whatever has been coming out from Meghalaya.
This is a small issue.
See, even the other, in a protest, even many people has made so many unwanted statements. So let's not go rigging about what has happened. Let us look at what we can do now. Let the parliament function so that, the youth and the future of the country is secure. Provided we have a debate. Let the parliament function, all this will come up. That is what we are requesting. Let the parliament function. Let's not speak on the streets. Let all these issues which are concerning the people's life be debated thoroughly on the House of People.
Just one last question.
Yeah.
Since after you've seen whatever has happened, you're saying that it's on his personal account, whatever he's posted. Will the party going forth now ensure that nobody tends to post something that will ruin the party as well?
Yeah, naturally, actually, as political leaders, we should be diligent enough of what we do in our day-to-day lives, and we request anybody who is holding important position to kindly monitor their personal account, because nowadays personal accounts can be hacked. Just the other day we got another complaint by one of our state vice president, again account was hacked. So these kind of issues.
For how many minutes the accounts gets hacked?
See, I cannot see. When a
many
mobile gets compromised in any way, so
Okay,
I cannot.
how many seconds the account gets hacked?
Huh?
Why no FIR was filed?
See, I don't know how do social media platforms work. I see that we have a medium of complaining to the platform, so I think so. That
For
was
how many seconds the accounts get
how would
hacked?
you ask? My account has not been hacked, and if my account is hacked,
And after
I
hacking,
take
why does that post get deleted?
that. I don't see. I'm telling you,
Hackers are favoring
I'm not
BJP.
privy to anything what you're speaking. That has happened at a time when maybe I was not available. I'm not aware. I was more concentrating at the Jngan incident. So what has happened locally? So we are not aware.
So,
and I'm not there to follow anybody's.
BJP man.
See, we have so many members of the party. I don't have time to follow everybody's personal account, right? So let's keep this aside. Let's keep the chief important agenda now at the front. Our parliament has to function, and it has to function in the right way, in a pure democratic way. And we please, through your medium, we want to request to the Congress that do not just go to the streets. Allow the parliament to function and debate there. Our Home Minister, our Honorable Home Minister is willing to answer to all the questions, the queries that the Congress party has. So we request Rahul Gandhi ji to kindly please face our Honorable Home Minister in the floor of the House. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bate ye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha. Kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.